Ours was the first revolution in the history of mankind that truly reversed the course of government, and with three little words: we the people. We the people tell the government what to do. It doesn't tell us. We the people are the driver. The government is the car, and we decide where it should go and by what route and how fast. Almost all the world's constitutions are documents in which governments tell the people what their privileges are. Our Constitution is a document in which we, the people, tell the government what it is allowed to do. We, the people, are free.
A great thing about American democracy, perhaps the greatest, is our emphasis on human rights, personal rights, individual liberty. And they're enshrined in the Bill of Rights, and we don't want to change a word of the Bill of Rights. That has to be exempted in the new Constitutional Convention. But what we want to change is the fact that more and more Americans think of their citizenship as a recitation of rights. They never focus on the responsibilities of citizenship. The greatest responsibility of citizenship is service, and in the new Constitution there should be an article proposing a Bill of Responsibilities.